Hi, this is Ailish and I'm going to show you quickly how to use a tool called Loom to create videos. So Loom is free recording software, but first of all you need to look for this logo called Loom and download the extension in the Chrome web store. I've downloaded it already. It's called Loom for Chrome. And once it's downloaded, it appears in the top right hand corner of your browser here. So when you're ready to create a new video, you can click on this, or you can click here for new video. Once I click new video, it asks me immediately if I want to create, so I appear here in this corner, as you can see. It asks me if I want to create a mixed video, one with screen and camera showing me, or an option with just the screen only. So in this instance I've chosen the screen and camera. An interesting thing here is you can drag yourself around the screen if you want to, and you'll see that there's a record button here, a pause and exit. So you can continue then to record whatever is on your screen. So when you click Start Recording, it asks you if you want to do your entire screen or application window. So I'm going to click on entire screen and click Share. It gives a countdown of 3, 2, 1, and then you're ready to start actually recording. That's the little scary bit. So you need to be organized, because as soon as that countdown starts, you're going to become completely tongue-tied and not think of one word to say. The best thing to do is just take one full recording in one go, and then when you make mistakes, come back and edit it and trim it afterwards. So for now, I'm just going to pause this, and then I'm going to click Resume. And once my video is processing and ready to share with the world, I have a couple of options. I can click Copy Link, or I can invite people, or I can password protect it. In the Pro version of this, it allows you to put a call to action, so you can put a link in it to maybe your social media profiles, or give a message to people to tell them how to get in touch with you. Another feature that's actually quite interesting is this ability here to rate the video, whether you want it or not. Say if you liked it or didn't like it. Also, you can change the title of the video to make it more search engine friendly. Put the keywords in here. And another feature that I like is the fact that you can change the speeds on this. So if it's a really long video, you can speed it up and cheat and play it just a little bit faster. This tool is really designed for people who want to make quick snippet videos that aren't that long, just to share how to do simple little tasks. So I hope you give it a try, and I hope you enjoy using it as much as I do. Thank you so much. Bye.